This conference will
Okay.
now be recorded.
See, and now I'm going to take new. That is today's date is what is the today's date? Anyone? 26th
26th.
October. See, in this topic we are discussing about the map. Map is nothing but if you want to represent group of individual objects as a key value pairs, we can go for the map interface. Okay, in the map, keys cannot be duplicated. Where values can be duplicated because for every class, for every student, the roll number should be unique. But in the same class, there will be different types of students with the same name. Yes or no, guys? Here in this way. But if you pass the duplicate key, then the latest roll number person will be considered as the unique value. See, I passed 107 as Avinash as well as Guru, but the output it is taking as a Guru. Latest will be it will be taken as the output. Yes or no, guys? Okay. This is about the map, and now we are going to discuss about the how to print the data in the hash map. Okay, how to print the data in the hash map that I am going to discuss. This is in the JSON directory. I am going to change this directory to which directory? To our directory, evening batch directory, MR Reddy batch. I am saving something is not saved. Okay, guys, it is loading. Maybe it will take some time. Please wait. Okay, hash map, linked hash map, tree map. These are the implementation classes of the map interfaces. These all are what classes? Map is a interface. Can anyone tell me in the class how many types of interfaces in the class? See in the collections. Anyone? How many types of interfaces in a collection? 9. Very
3.
good. 9 interfaces in a collections. Collection,
Yes, sir.
list, set, map, sorted set, navigable set, map, sorted map, navigable map. These are the interfaces. These interfaces implementation will be given in the different classes. In the hash map for the map interface, for set interface, hash set, for list, array list. There are different type of things will be there. 1 second, guys. These are the different types of classes which you implement this. See, I am going to open the Eclipse. See, I want to print the data just with the system.out.println. It is printing both key and values. See, you know that I write one class with the key value bits. I am printing the data. What will happen? It is printing entire value in a form of a array. You know that this symbol indicates the array. Okay, 101. See, I want to print only hmm, specific keys. What are the keys available in a class? I need to print in this hash map. Simply by using method keyset will be available map dot keyset. It will print the keys into the map itself. Okay, I am taking what is the return type of this keyset? See, set will be the return type of this keyset. So I am taking it as a set. Yes, I am going to see if you get this type of error, we need to import it exactly set. It should be in the java.util package. Okay, maybe this type of issues you are facing. That Brahma, I think so. I want to print this only key values. See, if you want to use this, we can print the same values. See, only now I am getting keys. Here in system.out.println, it is getting both keys and values. In the same way, keyset is a method which is inside the collections. Make a note it. key set is a method which is inside collections which he used to print specific keys, only keys. Yes or no, guys? Which is used to print only keys into this. In the same way, I want to print printing of only keys from map. In the same way, I want to print only which thing? Printing only values. In the same way, for this we are using one method called map.collection. Map.collection. Maybe it should be map.value. Sorry, I think value. Yes, map.values will print the all the values which is inside the map, and the return type. See what is the return type for this values? Collection. The return type of this map.values, this will print the data by using collections. మీకు ఏమైనా తెలియకుంటే ఇంకా అక్కడ చూడండి. See, everything will be auto suggested in the Eclipse. No need to worry. Collection from the java.util package. What will be the return type? Then I am going to print these values. See, printing of only values. I want to print see only keys. Okay, in the same way, printing of only values. I am doing concatenation. We already discussed how to do concatenation. See, it is printing only keys 101, 102. See, it is printing only values. It is printing both. By using these methods, we can able to perform the key value operations in the collections. In the same way, I want to print in the by direct one after one in a form of key values. For this, what I will do means map.entry set is a method available. This should be stored inside the what will be the entry set return type set. Okay, set of entry I will go easy way. This will confuse you. I can print the data by using for each loop. See simply map.entry set. This should be take the return type of the entry. I will show you. Entry of java.util map. This should be take some which value? Integer, and this will take string dot reference. Then I am going to print this data. See system.out.println reference.get key. What should be the key will be there? That keys will be printed here itself. Then after that I am providing some space. Then after that I am printing ref.get values. Okay, nothing but guys, what I did as of now is I printed this keys as separately, values as separately by using this key set values method. In the same way, I already said in the collections what I said, one key, one value is nothing but entry set. See, entry of one key and one value is called entry set. So that I am printing, taking this as a map as a one entry. Everyone has a one entry, and I am storing this into the entry class. See, this is entry is a one type of interface inside the. This will store the value in a form of a key value pairs. This each value is storing into this map entry. Then with this reference, what is the reference for this ref? ref dot get key and get value is the methods inside this class, inside this interfaces, will print a particular keys and values. See how it will print. I will show you. See 101. See get key 101 get value, which is inside the entry interface. Entry interface will read all entry data. This one data will be stored into this entry. This second data will be stored into this entry with some reference. If I want to print key value page, I need to print with this reference at the same time. I already said what is entry. One key value page. Insertion of one key value page is nothing but entry. Very, very, very important, guys. They will ask you how you will print both key values page at a time by using map. You can say directly, hey man, I can print by using system.out.println. See, this is the one type of answer. But I need to print anything at a time. See, for this, again we need to create the instance of this. For values, again need to print the instance of this. For both, I need to print individually anytime. We can use the entry interface, which will store the objects in a form of key value page. Please practice this syntax. You will confuse. As much as you practice, as much as you remember, guys. మీరు అంత ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసే కనుక అంతగా యూ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు రిమెంబర్ ఇట్ సింటాక్స్. ఓకే, that's all about the maps. Selenium Prospective we won't use much more, but you have to know for the interview. As of now, we discuss about the list, set, map, implementation classes also. Okay, what are the different types of methods will be available? Same in the same way, we are going to pass the entry set and will compare the data. We can do it same as by using the some cursors. Okay, that's all about the collections. What are the things as of now we discussed? Anyone in the collections? Collections contains 9 interfaces. అవునా కదా? What are those? List, anyone? Set, sorted, anyone guys? Please speak out. Sorted set, navigable set. Anyone guys? No one in the class who knows this topic? Map, sorted map, navigable. See, అన్ని ఒకటే అండి, but methods are different for the uses of the developers. See, we won't use this navigable set, sorted set. This will developer perspective we use. For the list, we use the array list. For set, what we will use hash set. Sorted set we can use directly. Sorted set is equal to new hash set. Navigable set is equal to new hash set. Same way, map, everything will be there. And after that, queue is also same. And then one more method is collection. Okay, and also we discuss about the cursors. What are the cursors available? Very, very, very important in collections. Enumeration, iterator, list, iterator. These are the 3 types of cursors available inside the Selenium collections, which is used to read the data, remove the data, add the data, set the data, forward direction, backward direction printing. We'll use it. Okay, this is about the collections. This is, and also we discuss some more topics like some methods which is inside the hash map, like how to read only keys, how to read only values in the map, how to add the data by using put method. Map data can be added with the help of put method. Okay, in the same way, in the hash set, in the array list, we are in which type of method reading the data? Add method we are using. Okay, for enumerator, iterator, list iterator also contain some methods. These are very important for the sake of Selenium. If you are familiar with this, you can play game with the Selenium. Okay, guys, respond, guys. Audible.
Okay, sir.
Okay. As of now, what are the topics we discussed? Can you do some brush up? First of all, we discussed about the class. Class is a logical entity. What are the components in the class? Anyone? Variables in
Variables, methods,
method, constructors.
constructors, instant blocks, static blocks.
Very good. Very good. What are OOPS concepts? We discuss OOPS concept also. Yes or no, guys? We discuss now.
Yes.
Yes. Abstraction, polymorphism,
Polymorphism,
sorry guys, polymorphism. Next, inheritance. Next, what is the encapsulation? Okay, what are the different types of methods inside the abstraction? Two types. Abstract, abstract class and anyone?
Interface.
What is the
Okay.
definition of abstract class? 100% partial implementation abstraction is called abstract class. Abstract class contains the constructor but does not contain the main method. How many types in the polymorphism? Method overloading and
Overriding.
overriding. What are the different types of concepts in the inheritance?
Five types.
Okay,
5 types.
single,
Multiple. Multi-level.
Multiple, multi-level, hierarchical, hybrid.
oh, okay. How what will be supported by the Java?
Only 3 will support.
Okay, what are those?
Single. Multi-level.
Simple,
Hierarchy.
Java will support the single, multi-level, and hierarchical.
hierarchical.
Yes or no? What is encapsulation? Process of wrapping the data as a single unit by using getters and setters method. చెప్పండి కదా? By using which class? Bean class. Yes or no, guys? This is about the encapsulation. These are about the OOPS concept we did. And after that, then we came for the collections. Okay? This is about the collection. See, at least you need to know the concepts in it, in the Java. Okay? మీకు కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏమున్నాయో తెలిస్తే కనుక అట్లీస్ట్ యూ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు ప్రిపేర్ ఇన్ ద ఫోర్త్ కమింగ్ డేస్ ఫ్యూచర్లో మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా చదవాలన్నా కూడా యూ నీడ్ టు నో దీస్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఇవి ఈ దానికి యూజ్ చేస్తారు దిస్ విల్ యూజ్ దిస్ పర్పస్ దిస్ విల్ యూజ్ దిస్ పర్పస్ అని మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది ఓకే అండ్ నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్ one important topic, that is string manipulation. Okay, string manipulation is a concept which is inside the Java itself. What is a string? I already said to you people what is a string. Anyone in a class? Anyone in a class? Any idea what is a string?
Keyword write in double
Okay.
quotes.
Okay, yes. Anything that we written in the double quotations is nothing but the string. Okay. In the string manipulations, there are some different types of string topics. Those topics are the string. Okay. Then after that, string, buffer, string, builder. Then after that, we are going to discuss and string tokenization. Okay, these are the concepts available inside the string that we are going to work on this string concepts that we are going to discuss one after another topic. See, what is a string? Anything that should be denoted in the double quotations is called string. Means any data that is stored in a enclosed format is called what? Is called what? String. See, I can tell you one example how it will string looks. String str is equal to evening batch. I can write anything in the string. Anything that will denote in double quotations is called string. This is also string. No need to confuse, guys. This is also string. Anything that will denote in double quotations, this will be called a string. This is also string. Okay, this is also string. Anything that will denote in the double quotations is called the string. See, make a note, guys. In the above, I mentioned string and string buffer. Na? These both are the final classes which cannot be extended. Make a note. Both string and string buffer are final classes which can't be extended. Okay. Okay. See, you need to remember one more thing. String can be created in two ways. Okay. How to create a okay? How to in how many make a note a question. Very very important. In how many ways we can create a string? Okay. Many very very important, guys. In the interview they will ask you two ways we can create a string. One is by using normal method. How string s is equal to some name I am taking testing. The same way I can create one more by using new object keyword. String s is equal to new. I already said string is a class. Yes or no, guys? I already said string is a class. So for class we can create object na. String s is equal to new string of testing. అవునా కదా? In the two ways we can create the string. What is the difference with these two means? This will be create a new object. It won't create a object. Now see, for this object will be stored in the string constant pool area. This is very depth here. మనం ఇలా చదువుకుంటా పోతే కనుక it will take more time. Just remember it. This will be stored in the string constant pool area. మనకు చాలా మెమరీస్ ఉంటాయి. అందులో స్ట్రింగ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ పూల్ ఏరియాలో మెమరీ స్టోర్ చేస్తుంది. ఇది వచ్చేసి ఇట్ విల్ స్టోర్డ్ ఇన్ ద హీప్ మెమరీ. వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ అంటే కనుక సి ఇన్ దిస్ ఏరియా ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎలిజిబుల్ ఫర్ ది ఇఫ్ ఐ క్రియేటెడ్ టెస్టింగ్ ఎస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు టెస్టింగ్ అని రాశాను. నేను ఇంకో స్ట్రింగ్ రాశాను. స్ట్రింగ్ S1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మళ్ళీ టెస్టింగ్ రాశాను అనుకోండి. ఆల్రెడీ ఈ కాన్స్టెంట్ పూల్ ఏరియాలో ఒక మెమరీ ఉంది. I can tell you like this. So now this is string constant pool area and this is heap area. Constant pool area ఇది వచ్చేసి ఏమంటారండి ఇంకా heap area. Okay, now I created one string like this. String s is equal to okay testing. How it will pointing means this will be pointing to the this memory, this string constant pool area. It will point this memory. Okay, what will happen here? It will store the testing. Again, if I create one more string like this, string S1 is equal to testing. Okay, what will happen if while printing this data, if it is already testing is available, so it won't allow the duplicate. Already existing ఉన్న వాటిని ఉంది కాబట్టి మళ్ళీ తీసుకోదు. But both S1 and S2 pointing to the same memory. Same memory. In the memory, the object is not duplicated. ఈ రెండు స్ట్రింగ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ పూల్ ఏరియా మెమరీకి పాయింట్ అవుట్ అవుతాయి. కానీ స్ట్రింగ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ పూల్ ఏరియాలో సేమ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ డేటా రెండు సార్లు రాస్తాయి కనుక S1 S2కి ఉన్న ఆల్రెడీ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ ఉన్న డేటాకి సేమ్ డేటా సేమ్ అయితే కనుక ఇట్ విల్ పాయింట్ అవుట్ టు ద సేమ్ మెమరీ. వేరే స్ట్రింగ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ పూల్ ఇది హీప్ ఏరియాలో చూడండి, స్ట్రింగ్ str is equal to new string of Guys, 1 minute, guys. Sorry for inconvenience.
Why is not audible?
Okay, I am taking one string. String str is equal to new string of testing. It is pointing to which memory? It is pointing to the, say, this memory. That memory is the heap memory. I am taking the new string of same data. This is also testing. Here what will happen? Even already in the first string itself it is created the testing. If I create one more string, again it will allow the duplicate data. Okay. If we create this type of string, this type of data will be stored in the string constant pool area where duplicate is not allowed. If you create this type of string, the data will be stored in the heap memory where duplicate data will be allowed. That's the main difference. Okay, students. Everyone, take this screenshot or you can write. See, guys, మీరు silent గా just blind గా if you listen this classes means it won't be any use. Please make a running notes. Okay, notes prepare చేసుకోండి. Okay, I'm pointing to each and everyone in the class. String s is equal to testing. This will be stored in string constant pool area, SCP area. Okay, where duplicates not allowed. This will be stored in which area? Heap area where duplicates are allowed. Allowed for this memory, guys. Okay, this is the main difference we can create it. Whereas string buffer we can create only in how many ways we can create string buffer means only one way. No need confuse. How many ways? Only one way. Simply like this. String buffer B capital. Okay. SB is equal to new string buffer. Simply. That's all. I am taking some parameters. In this way, it will store the data in the memory. Okay. If I want to print simply SB, this will print the data. Okay. And now I am going to discuss one more thing is types of methods inside the string. Okay, very important. Methods inside a string. Very important, guys. It contains lot of methods. Okay, I can say you some methods which we use regularly like this: to lowercase, to uppercase. Okay, and I can say that some more methods like caret, character at position, contains, is it contains, and I can say start with, and I can say that ends with, and I can say split, and I can say few more methods inside this split, trim, all are methods, guys. Even if you declare this parentheses or not, but all of these are methods which is inside the string class. Trim, I can perform length method, and I can perform length. These are the different types of methods inside the string. I can give some examples so that you can able to understand, guys. Let's see. String manipulation. Okay. Now I'm going to create one more class. String concepts or string methods. See, I am creating one string. Very, very observe carefully, guys. Main method. Okay. I am taking one string. See, string str is equal to very, very. See, I already said in how many ways we can print the string? Two ways. This is the one way we can print, and I can say string str1 is equal to new string of two ways we are printing. See, for two ways the output should be same. Str. See, I am printing the data. See, both are using the same output. Okay, store here itself. Okay, and in the same way string buffer also I can give some examples. See, I am passing some data here itself. How to print simply? They can print by the system.out.println ASB. Maybe it will print or not print. See, I will check it and let you know. I need to convert to string. Okay, see, it is printing the data. Okay, see, now I'm going to implement these all methods inside the string so that you can able to know about the string also. See, before that, I'm going to give the some examples how to print the data inside the string. Okay, for example, I have the string str is equal to Mohan. I want to print this. I already said by using the system.out.println, we can print the data. In the same way, I can convert the string into the characters and print the data. ఇందాక collections లో చెప్పాను కదండి. See, I have the we'll take the characters char array. You know about array. Array will store in how many ways we can create array. This is the one way we can create the arrays, correct? A, B, C, D. I can print this data by using the string also. String str is equal to, I can store this new string of array. Then after that I am printing the string. It will print all the characters inside the array. చూడండి, I can tell you the example. How to take array మీకు చెప్పాను కదండి, how to arrays లో. If you won't practice, it's your mistake, guys. Please practice. Now I'm converting this array to string array. Adding string str is equal to new string of, I am taking this array, then after that I am printing that str. See it how it will print. See abcd. See this character is converting into the string. Okay, by using in this way we can able to convert these characters into the string. Okay guys, I will tell you one more example that you will don't know as of now anything. I will help you. See here I am taking the characters. I want to print these characters. Basically for every character in Java will be stored in a form of ASCII value. For every characters in Java will be stored in the form of ASCII value. Means for example for capital letters it will be start from A. Capital A is equal to 65. Capital B is equal to 66. In this way it will start. Whereas for the small a it will start from the, I think so, 97. For small b it will start from the 98. Maybe I will print and let you know. See, I am taking one integer array. How to take integer array? I think you know how to take integer array. The same way, int array. Then I am going to take integers. I am going to take some integer values from 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. And then I am going to convert these integers into the string values. Why? Yeah, it should be the byte value. Sorry, not, maybe it will be byte. Yes, byte, correct. See how, what is the output here? It will print, see, it will print the values from ABCD. See, ABCD. If I give the same values from the 97 to 100, what will the output? See, I am taking one more byte. Byte array of B is equal to, I am taking 97, 98, 99, 100. Very, very important. I am storing into the string. String str1 is equal to new string of, I am storing this byte. Then after that I am printing this data str1. See what will be the output? Now it will print the data in a form of small values. See, ABCD. Make a remember, in the string in the Java, characters will be stored in a form of a ASCII values. For smaller letters it will start from 65, 66, 67. For capital letters it will start from 97. Okay, for every characters in Java will be stored in a form of ASCII value. For capital letters it will start from like this. Okay, yes or no guys? For small letters it will be stored in a form of 97, 98 like this. Okay, very, 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 very important guys. Make this example, that will make you some knowledge, gain some knowledge. Okay, in this way it will print the output data by using the ASCII values. Okay, I think you got some knowledge also. Yes or no guys? అవునా కాదా? See, I will give one more example so that you learn something. I want to print only the second characters and third characters and fourth character. How I can print it? I can give here itself. Second position, starting position what I need, starting position and third ending position. See what will be here itself. It will print the starting position and ending position of the value. That will print CD. String index bounds of exception. Sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3. See, it won't print because I'll tell you one more time. See, because in the substring, this will take different types of parameters. See, it will take offset, int offset length. Means I can print any number of things. I need the print this byte with the starting index and ending index. Starting index will be printed, ending index won't be printed because here the starting index is see 0, 1, 2, 3. Starting index what? B 0 A B, yes or no? B, and 2 is the ending index. So it is printing the data. Ending index won't printed means because in last value it won't be printed, so that it will give the array index bounds of exception. Okay, I will tell you in detail in some other classes. Okay, please practice, guys. If you are not practice, you face some issues. What will output here? B, C. Okay, in this way we can able to do this string. Asal, what is string? String is a final class in Java. Okay, and what is string buffer? String buffer also final class which we cannot be extended. Okay, string contains different types of methods that we are going to discuss. Two uppercase, two lowercase. These are the methods which is inside the string that we need to let me know you people. Okay, guys. Okay, string. How many in how many ways we can create the string? Anyone? We can create the string in two ways. One by without using new keyword, with using without using new keyword, with using new keyword, we can create the string. Yes or no, guys? There are some different types of methods inside the string that we are going to discuss now class, so that you will get some clarification. Okay, what is the use of this method, how we can use it, I will tell you. See, I am going to tell you these methods. One second, guys. How to implement? I can implement here so that you can able to know something. Okay, I am taking the string values. I am taking one string yes is equal to some value. I am taking it. I am taking what testing. See, I am going to print like different ways. System.out.println yes dot. I am taking first method as a caret. What is the character at the position of the 2? What will the output? Anyone? See, it will start from 0, 0, 1, 2. It will print yes. Okay. In the same way, I will print yes dot last caret. Which position? I need the position character at the 4th position. What will the output? Anyone? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will be the output. Yes or no, guys? See, if I run it, what will the output see? Yes and I will be printed. Yes and I will be printed. In the same way, I am going to tell one more method. Caret is completed. Then I am going to take one more method, that is index. Index of. In this index, what is the character? In this index, what is the index of this character? ఇప్పటివరకు మనం ఏం చేసాము, ఈ పొజిషన్లో ఏం క్యారెక్టర్ ఉందో చెప్పమని అడుగుతున్నాం. అదే విధంగానే ఈ ఈ ఈ క్యారెక్టర్ యొక్క పొజిషన్ ఎంత కూడా కనుక్కోవచ్చు బై యూజింగ్ ఇండెక్స్ ఆఫ్ మెథడ్. See, I will show you how. Index of I will show you. See system.out.println how s dot index of, what is the index of e? It will print what? See, index is a character we need to denote in a single quotations. See, what is the index of e? 1. See, it will print 1. C1. See, if I have the same character, if T is available, E is also T is available. How to know this T position? We need to declare by using some one more method, like S dot last index of T. Last position on T యొక్క position number నాకు కావాలి. What will be the output here? 0, 1, 2, 3. C. This is the third position. Okay, this is about the index of. Then I need to use the lowercase and two uppercase. String, I have the one more string. I am taking string two upper case and two lowercase. ఈ methods ఎలా యూజ్ చేయాలో I am going to tell you. I am taking one more string str is equal to or s1 is equal to, I am taking automation. No, automation is entirely in which characters? In smaller characters. I want to make this as a capital letter. System.out.println s1 dot two uppercase. It will convert this into the two uppercase. Again, I need to convert this into lowercase. I am taking one more string so that you can able to understand. String s3 is equal to, I am taking some name as a evening batch. I need to convert this into the uppercase. Simply so s3 dot two uppercase. See, it's already in small. I write in the small e uppercase so that we can convert in the lowercase. Evening batch. I am converting this into the lowercase. See what will the output here? It will convert the data into the lowercase. See, as of now, what we discussed about two uppercase, two lowercase, caret index it. అవునా కదా? Okay. In the same way, I am getting the example for the index also. Okay. Two uppercase, two lowercase, everything is same, guys. These also methods. No need to ask, guys. మీరు మళ్ళీ అడగద్దండి. Everything method will be denoted in the parenthesis. Okay, that's all about the today's session. Tomorrow we are going to discuss these methods, and also we are going to discuss equals and ignore methods also. Later we are going to move into the selenium. Okay, on selenium move only later. In the selenium we'll discuss exceptions also. Okay, how we can handle exceptions by using the selenium, we can learn it. Or tomorrow or this Friday I'm not going to take the class, guys. No, don't consider this Friday and this Saturday, because I'm traveling to Vizag due to my personal work. సారీ టు సే, అంటే ఆల్రెడీ చాలా లీవ్స్ పెట్టాను. విల్ కవర్ ఇట్, నో ప్రాబ్లం గైస్. విల్ కవర్ ఇట్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, దిస్ ఫ్రైడే అండ్ సాటర్డే ఐఎమ్ అన్ఏబుల్ టు టేక్ ద కాల్. మీకు కావాలంటే ఫ్రైడే మార్నింగ్ టైం ఏదో టైంలో తీసుకోమంటే తీసుకుంటా ఫ్రైడే సెషన్. ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఫైన్ ఫర్ ఆల్? ఐ కెన్ టేక్ యూ. శిరీష, what about others? Others
Okay,
can
sir.
listen the
Fine.
others can listen the recording video. Okay, this Friday.
Sir, no, sir. Morning
Morning
time is not.
Okay, I can take any time in the morning or evening session or 6 p.m. like that. Okay, you can listen my recording session also, guys. No need to worry. Okay, whoever is possible will schedule some any time in Friday. Okay, maybe there may be no more concepts. We'll wind up this Java. We'll revise and wind up this Java on Friday session. We'll freshly start the from Monday onwards Selenium. Okay, is it fine, guys? అందరికి ఓకేనా? చాలా వరకు ఏముండవండి, ఏమైనా మిస్ అయింది చెప్తాను. మండే నుండి విల్ ఫ్రెష్లీ స్టార్ట్ ది సెలీనియం. ఓకే, సెలీనియం విల్ టేక్ నియర్లీ 15 to 20 classes. I already saying. Okay, that's all about today's session. Please practice
So
it, guys.
for completing manual testing, can we take it at 2 hours of class?
Manual testing.
అంటే నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ లో మాన్యువల్ టెస్టింగ్ అయిపోతుంది క్లాస్. సో 2 hours క్లాస్ కి 2 hours ఉంటారా రోజు?
If you are fine, I will take for 2 hours. Some people is not able to join at that time. Sirisha, is it fine to you? Suryatija fine means I am fine, no problem. And there is one more person is there in the class who left just now. I think Suresh or someone. Srinivas, I think so. If those people fine, if all people will fine with voting, then I can take 2 hours per day and I will wind up within 15 days. Selenium also. నేను రోజుకు 2 hours తీసుకొనేసి నేను త్వరగా వైండ్ అప్ చేయమంటే వైండ్ అప్ చేస్తాను.
Definitely sir, you can take a vote sir.
ఓకే అన్న, సి యు ఓన్లీ నో బ్రహ్మ. నేను ఏం చెప్తున్నాను అంటే ఇంకా నాకు అందరికీ ఓకే అయితే నాకు ఓకే. మీరు కొంతమంది నాట్ ఓకే అని నేను ఓకే ఎలా చెప్పలేను కదా. అర్థమైందా?
Just ask one sir, everyone. So that
Okay.
they will.
Okay, if you people have any concerns, please ping me in the chat to me personally, or you can ping directly also to all the members in the chat itself. Okay, if you have any issues, constraints of taking 2 hours of class.
Sir, 2 hours అయితే ప్రాక్టీసింగ్ కొంచెం కష్టమైంది సార్, అందుకని.
So
మరి
we'll
2
do
hours
one.
అంటే
Okay, 7 o'clock fine for you. Make 7 o'clock fine అయితే కనుక I will take from 7 to 8:30, 1.5 hour.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Fine sir.
Okay, sir.
7 to
Decision?
8:30. Yes.
ఓకే ఓకే, నేను ఇంతకుముందు ఈ క్వశ్చన్ అడిగానండి క్లాస్లో ఒక 4 days బ్యాక్. నేను 7 o'clock మార్చుకుంటాను. ఎవరో ఇద్దరు నాకు పర్సనల్గా పింక్ చేశారు వద్దు అని. విల్ సి, నేను చెప్తాను వాళ్ళు ఎవరో. వాళ్ళకు కూడా ఓకే అయితే ఇంకా విల్ కంటిన్యూ, ఆర్ వీ కెన్ ఎక్స్టెండ్ ఫ్రమ్ 9:30, 8 నుండి 9:30 వరకు మనం ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసుకున్నాం నెక్స్ట్ క్లాసెస్లో. ఓకే గైస్, ఓకేనా?
Okay.
రెస్పాన్స్
sir.
ఇవ్వండి. Okay students, that's all for today's session. Tomorrow we'll